Feeling buried under a mountain of tasks? Today, we're transforming chaos into calm by unlocking the power of Asana, your ultimate task management companion. First, let's create a new project. Click the plus icon on the left sidebar and choose blank project. Give it a descriptive name like marketing campaign and select the list layout for a clear, linear view of your tasks. Now, let's add tasks. Simply click Add Task and type in the action item, such as draft blog post. Press enter to create it. You can then click on the task to add more detail. Assign the task to a team member by clicking on Assignee and selecting their name. Set a deadline by clicking on Due Date and choosing the date from the calendar. To keep everyone informed, add collaborators by clicking Add Collaborators and entering their names. They'll receive notifications about task updates. Provide context by adding a description. Outline the task requirements, attach relevant files, or link to other resources. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks. Click the Add Subtask button within the task to list out all the steps. Organize your tasks by creating sections. Common sections include to do, in progress, and completed. Drag and drop tasks between sections to reflect their current status. Prioritize tasks using stars or custom fields. You can add a custom field like priority with options such as high, medium, and low. Filter and sort your tasks based on priority to focus on what matters most. Establish dependencies between tasks to ensure the right order of execution. Click on the three dots beside the due date and select Add Dependency, then select the task you want to make it dependent on. This ensures task B cannot start until task A is complete. Automate repetitive tasks using rules. For example, automatically assign tasks to a specific person when they're moved to the In Progress section. Set up rules in the Customize menu. Track your progress with Asana's reporting features. Monitor task completion rates, identify bottlenecks, and gain insights into team productivity using the dashboard. With these techniques, you're well on your way to mastering Asana and boosting your productivity. So, ditch the chaos, embrace the organization, and start achieving your goals.